Okay, here are the items I'm going to be using on my Mardi Gras tablescape. Now I'm going to be using these pillow covers. I'm going to put one in each chair in the corner, and I'm going to add it to this head table chairs. The next I'm going to be using are these glasses here. I bought these from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. Nope, at home a few years ago. These stemless wine glasses, I had the mask made to put on these glasses. These glasses came from the Dollar Tree. Now the purple plates came from the tablecloth factory. The gold chargers came from the Dollar Tree. The purple placemats came from Pier 1. The table runner, the purple green one, that came from Amazon. The purple table runner came from the tablecloth factory, and that's a forest green. Those are napkins. Those came from the tablecloth factory as well. I will be using beads, of course. And then I'll be using this flatware that I picked up from Walmart a couple of years ago. Then I have these napkin rings. They came from Amazon. Then I have these purple and green candles. They came from Amazon. I've had those for a while. The candlestick holders here, some are mine and some are my mom's. It's a mixture of greenery back there. I'm not sure if I'm using all of that, but it's there. Then I have the two green foams. They came from the Dollar Tree. And the new item from this year are these beautiful poinsettias. They are with the Mardi Gras colors, the purple, the green, and the gold. I think it came in a set of 8, I think. I think that's how many is there. And then I have these two masks that came from the Dollar Tree as well. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of these items that you see here on the tablescape, but I think I will be using a majority of them. I'm trying to do something a little different, a picture I found, and I'm going to try to get as close to it as I can using only the things I already have. So let me stop talking and let's get to putting this tablescape together. Now you guys know how we have an idea in our head for a centerpiece and we start doing it, and then all of a sudden we start working on it and we go, that don't look so hot. And then you change it, you pull it all apart, and you start all over again. Well, that's what I'm doing. I had a look in my mind, and then as I started it, I wasn't quite feeling it. So, of course, I tore it apart and basically started over. Now, I really love how it turned out this year. My Mardi Gras tablescape looks stunning. I want to thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you feel inspired to create a space that's both beautiful and perfectly for you without breaking the bank. Now, don't forget you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links are below. I love to connect with you on there. And I'll see you here next time on Creatively Miss Me.